Take this matte eyeshadow, press it on the eyelid, smoke it out with the pink eyeshadow, attach the falsies, and you are done. Look at this absolutely captivating blue smoky eye look. It is like midnight sky captured on your eyelids. Perfect for turning heads at any event. And this look is so easy to create that you need only 2 to 3 main colors and you are done. Hey there gorgeous souls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this stunning and easy blue smoky eye look. And if you are a beginner, don't worry, I've got you covered. And without further ado, let's get started. Start with priming your eyelids. Apply any concealer or primer that you like and set it with the setting powder. Take any matte blue eyeshadow. I'm taking this one from Glamorous Face and gently pat it on your eyelids, focusing on the inner 2/3 of your lid. And don't take the color higher at once, but do it gradually. This will create a nice gradient effect. Keep adding the color until you are satisfied with the intensity, and then slightly lift the pressure and blend the same color in small circular motions without taking any more color. This will create the gradient effect. Make sure you have little to no product at all on your brush while blending on the upper eyelid. And apply less pressure because dark eyeshadows are hard to blend if you exert high pressure. You can decrease the pressure by holding your brush away from the center and holding from their tip. Just follow the curve of your eye and create a crease from your inner corner. You can see the nice gradient effect that is created just adjusting the pressure with which I am applying the eyeshadow. With a clean blending brush, I am taking this light pink eyeshadow and blend with the blue eyeshadow into my crease in circular motions. This will soften the edges and create seamless transition between colors. One common mistake I have seen many people make is skipping this crucial step of applying a transition color. This transition color is your bridge between light and dark shades, ensuring a seamless blend. Without it, your eyeshadow can appear harsh and the colors won't seamlessly flow into one another, and it can make a world of difference in your final eye look. Now I'm taking an even lighter shade and apply it on the top of my transition color. You can take any light color as your transition shade, but make sure it is a matte one because shimmery shades don't look good as transition shades because they attract more light and this will not look good. Now I'm applying the same color but a metallic one on the middle part of my eyelid. This will create a nice metallic sheen on my eyelid. You can skip this step if you don't like and keep it matte. Enhancing my lower lash line with the same blue shade and smoking it out with the pink shade. Your lower lash line is just as important as your upper one to complete the eye look. So never ever forget to enhance your lower lash line, especially when you are creating a smoky eye look. You can see how beautifully it has blended out on the lower lash line. Apply black pencil on your waterlines and don't forget to highlight your brow bone and the inner corners of your eyes with a shimmery light eyeshadow for a bright, open-eyed look. Apply a generous coat of mascara on your eyelashes. And you can also apply the eyeliner if you like, but I am skipping it today. Now take your favorite eyelashes and apply them from the center of your eyelid. And press them down with your natural lashes. Take a clean brush and remove any fallout that you might have on your cheek. And there you have it. Stunning blue smoky eye look that is perfect for beginners. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Take care.